Hey, what's up, guys? G-Hank is here, your Builderall training support specialist and network marketing slash MLM. Hope you guys are having a great day today. And today, guys, we're going to continue our SMS training series and most likely come to an end today. So today will be probably the longest video. Maybe we will see, depending on how much I get to talk here. But before we get started, I want to remind you guys to go to network marketing. All right, so that's, let me put in all caps here so you guys can see, and I will zoom in. Network marketing, whoops, marketing dot builderall.com. Pretty soon when you go there, it will redirect you to this page. If it doesn't yet, that's because maybe we haven't updated yet, but it will be updated. Let me check myself right now. Let's see. Okay, no, she hasn't changed it yet, but it will be updated to this page. And in this page, guys, this is where you are going to see the most recent video that I have done. Okay, so this is part 3 right here, as you can see. And let me pause it. So that's part 3 right there. And you are going to be watching part 4 right here. And if you haven't subscribed to the YouTube channel, definitely subscribe. It helps me out. You don't have to, but it would be great if you do. Either way, you guys have me here in the group. And speaking of group, we are doing our best. I know everybody has switched so far. Bridget has done so. Jackie's in the process, and so am I. I'm in the process. We're doing 100% Builderall, meaning that you guys will be able to watch this all here in this area where you guys will watch the live trainings every day for me, 8 p.m. Eastern, unless I change it or go live on an earlier time. And then you guys get to watch the replays, right? It says here previous live trainings. When you click there, it will take you to our e-learning, and here you guys get to watch the replays. Right now we have the SMS tool series, so we have part 1, 2, 3, and then soon after today you'll be part 4, and every other training I will have here for the replays. Okay, and it will be up to date. So like, let's say there's something different on the SMS training series, then I will update it and it will be another SMS training series. I'll probably put here updated to whatever updates there is, and we'll go over the same thing that we did with this original one, but just now with the new different changes, if there are any changes. Okay, because you know the Builder back office changes, and we want to make sure that you guys are up to date with everything. So make sure you guys go there, go to networkmarketing.builderall.com. You might get this page for now, but pretty soon you are going to get this page. And if you guys want to get to this page, I will place it in the comments. Okay, so you can come to this page. And one of the most important things about this page are these 3 buttons right here that we have. On the top over here is to join the Zoom. Every Friday at 8 o'clock Eastern, I host a live Q&A, and it doesn't have to be a live Q&A as in you guys just ask questions, right? This is for all of you guys to come on here, ask your questions or any opinions, or if you guys want to talk about something particular towards your business. That's what Friday is for. Jump on, and we will help you out as much as I can, whether me or anybody that's in the room on that day. Then Telegram updates. So click over here. It will send you to your Telegram app if you have it on your computer, which I do. I recommend that you guys definitely want to do that. Install Telegram on your computer, and you will come here and you'll get updates when I go live. And also, I had to take it off, unfortunately. I had a bot that would go into the RSS feeds of the Builderall blog, so that when there's any new blogs, it will be posted over here. But the bot went haywire. It went rogue, and it just started posting a whole bunch of blog posts. So I had to turn it off. So I might have to either figure out how to fix that, or I'll just do it manually. I'll probably do that. If I can't fix it, I'll do that every morning just to check the blog. And over here, I will update when I go live any new updates on on a certain tool that I'm going to be training on. And then the second button over here where it says Telegram chat, when you click on it, it'll open your app if you have it on your phone or on your computer. Like I said, I recommend you definitely install it on your computer. And here is the chat. This is where you guys will be able to ask your questions, chat with the community. If you have an issue and you might want it to get solved fairly quickly, here's the best place. And also, if you want a specific question to be answered specifically by me, not just the community, but of course, if I'm not available to answer, the community is always here to answer it. But make sure you guys tag me when you add your question over here so that I get notified, because right now we only have 9 members, right? Because the group is fairly new. But once it gets bigger, all those comments that are going to be coming on over here, it might get lost in the chat and I might not see it. So make sure you guys tag me. All right, so make sure you guys join these two. And then, of course, this will be on Friday, 8 o'clock. But please join this so that you can get updates and so that we can basically just chat as the community, since we're going 100% just Builderall. And while the third-party Telegram, since we don't have an actual like chat messages or like, you know, a messenger Builderall, which I'm okay with. I'm used to already Telegram or WhatsApp and all that. But Telegram is one of the good ones and easy to use and is worldwide. So that's why I decided to take off the community number, the text number, where you guys were getting text messages. Took that off and just made it the Telegram because it's international. So enough of that. Let's get into the training. All right, so for this training today, guys, what I want to show you is a little trick or tip. I want to call it a little a little tip or trick that you can use when it comes to your country code. Now here, as you can see, we have all these countries, which is great. That means we can send text to all these countries. But let's say my campaign, my page, and my funnel, or my my business, my network marketing business, is only for the United States, right? So all I need, I just want to collect the U.S. phone numbers. I don't want all these. I just want U.S. Right? You can say country code, it'll be U.S. and you can't change it. It will be only U.S. And then you put in, your phone number here. There's one way to do that. Okay, and I'm actually going to test out something here live with you guys to see if that works. Because for now, this is a drop down. But let's say if I just wanted to be a specific, since it's only US, like I just wanted to stay US. So I'm planning to try something out here with you guys, and let's see if it works. That's why I said that today might be the longest one of all. So for us to edit this, we have to come to our list, right? This is our list in Mailing Boss. And if you don't know how to get there, make sure you go to list, click on list. And then once this loads, it will go to, right here, SMS, click on update. And I want to update the fields. All right, so here we got first name, email, country code. This is what we need. So one way that you guys could do it is actually deleting all these. You literally press remove and it will delete this one. This is Bulgaria, Angola, Antigua, and all this. Argentina, Aruba. You can just delete it until you get to the United States, right? But I thought, that's a lot of work. So let's just type in USA. All right, so we know here that the value is USA, and the name, we're calling it USA +1. That's what's going to show over here, right? That's what they're going to see, so that they know it's the +1. So what I was thinking is, what if I just do, maybe instead of a drop down, I do something else. So to test that out, I'm going to make this hidden so that it's not seen. And I'm going to copy this value because this is what I need. The value. That's what's important right here. And I'm not going to remove it because I'm going to keep it there just in case things go wrong, right? If things go south. And I want to do maybe a radio field. Actually, that's pretty cool. Chat box. I don't want to do the checkbox because it's just one country. Or, yeah, just one. Let's just do one. Add radio field. And let's press paste. And we're going to call this USA. And it's going to be +1. Whoops. I think that's how it is, right? +1. Oh no, +1. I did 1 plus. It's plus and 1. Okay. And let's see, tag. Oh no, wait. Maybe, okay. Tag is phone prefix. Okay, so let's put this. I forgot. See, I almost messed it up. So this is going to be default value. It's going to be USA. Tag. Whoops. I'm messing it up again. Default value for this right here is going to be USA. And then the tag is going to be phone prefix. Okay, so we might have to actually delete it because I don't think we can have two of the same tags. Can we? Let's find out. Like I said, today we're going to learn together. And label, okay. Visible. All right, let's save it. Let's see if we can have the same tag. Nope. So you guys learned it here. You cannot have the same tag. So let's just delete this one and let's call it just phone P. Okay. Because this is not going to be visible. It's going to be hidden. So it's okay. I just want to keep it here so that we don't lose it. Just in case the way that I'm going to do it doesn't work, I can just bring it back. And then let's do the update. So let's come over here. Let's go edit page. All right. So as you can see, it says here country code. So we wanted to update. We need to actually click on the list again. So it will update now. And there you go. It says USA. And we don't see anything here. It might show on the live site. So let's test it out. Okay, that's fine. And let's go see the website. Okay, don't see anything here. It's supposed to be a radio. Oh, wait, I think I know why. I don't think I actually put anything on the radio. Yeah, I didn't. I didn't actually even add a radio. That's what I get for trying to go fast. All right, so add option. USA. And then here we're going to do 1 USA. So let's take this off from here. And let's call this country code. Country code. There we go. And now let's save. As you can see, I'm not perfect. I do make mistakes. But that is how we all learn and we figure things out. All right, so let's do this again. Let's select it. Let's click on training. There we go. So here we have country code USA. Now I want to see what happens if we click on show label. Okay, let's go. So this is cool. We could have this USA, and they can just click USA, email. Oh, I forgot to put this to be right on top the phone number. Let's do that real quick. It has a sort order of 0, and let's see the actual phone number. This is sort order number 2, but it's hidden. So let's see if we're able to actually make it number 2 also. Since this is 3, let's save changes. All right, go back to Cheetah, select the list again, and press save. There you go. So USA. So if we do the label, you're able to see that it says country code, USA. And maybe I could just put country instead of country code, right? And then they get to select what country they're from, and then they put in their phone number, right? That's up to you, right? Now it's all up to you on how you want to display the information, right? Because this says USA, and people that live in USA, they already know that it's +1. But maybe you want to make sure that they don't have to put the +1 because it's already included if they click the +1. Okay. The next thing is, if you don't want to do it with the radio, right, the way that I did it, we could do the drop down. Right, we could use this feature right here, and let's add it right here. We have phone prefix is a drop down, or we could do multi-selects field, checkbox field, date field. So what if we do the check box, not checks, check box. Let's try that. Add option. We wanted to say 1 USA, and the country code is USA +1. And then here, country code. And the tag we said is prefix. So let's grab this here. Let's do PPP. The PPP loan. Actually, no, let's remove this because we're going to use the other one. So let's remove this one. We don't need it. And let's go back up. And then make sure that this is phone prefix. Country code, checkbox. And what if we want to add another option for people in Canada? What is the Canada one? Let's do find Canada. Okay, so the value is 1 Canada. And same thing, +1 Canada. Okay, cool. So here then we will add another value. And we'll do value. We'll do Canada. How's it that they have it here? Let's just do it like this. Canada +1. And paste. All right. So let's make this number 2. Visible, country code, prefix, everything's good. Let's save. And now that we saved, we want to make sure what's all errors. Did I not? Should be good. That must be unique to the email list. It should be. I removed the other one. Phone prefix. Let's try again. Okay, what's going on? Tags must be unique in the mail list. Pretty sure I took it off. The P, the phone. And then first name. Yeah, it should be good. Don't know why it's giving me that error. Okay, it's weird. Alright, so let's refresh. We can start again. Let's get out of the list. Let's get back in here. Let's go edit and see. Let's go to the fields. First name, phone P, country code, phone prefix, USA. Okay, let's add another option. Value was, whoops, it was 1 Canada, if I'm not mistaken. And here it was Canada +1. This was +1. Okay, that worked. That was weird, but things happen. As you guys know, nothing's perfect. Sometimes there's little glitches, or maybe I just missed something, but it's okay. So we got that done. All right, so here, country code, people get to choose USA, Canada. All right, and let's test it out. All right, so Gene JJ email. What email I haven't used over here? Just to be sure, so I can actually get the text. Subscribers. And let's see. Gene's team. Okay, I think I haven't used my other email, so let's do Gene J. And country code, Canada or USA? Let's do USA. 7861. And all right, let's help. Okay, let me check my email and see if I got it. And I did. Let's confirm. Awesome. Good. So now let's see if I get the actual text. I don't know if I would, because I've already opted in with that phone number, so I'm not sure if it will actually go out. But I will have to wait and see if I get that text. Like I said, I might not. I should have deleted the list right here, the number. Let's see. Let's go back. All right, so what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to delete this and also the other one over here because the numbers are the same. So I'm not sure if it will send a text message. And just to be sure that it works, I want to make sure that it sends it right now. And let's delete. All right, so let's opt in again. Let's try this. So let's go back. Country code, USA, phone number, email. And now let's wait a little bit and check the email. Okay, I did get the email. It says 0 minutes ago. Let's go. Okay. So let's check. Let's make sure that it's there. All right, confirmed. My phone number is right there. And I'm pretty sure I have. Let's check the workflow. If I didn't change anything. Okay, so there should be a text being sent out. But we might have to wait. So let's pause this for a second and we will be right back in 3, 2, 1. All right, and we're back. And I had to use another email. One of my professional emails. I don't know what was going on with Gmail. Wasn't actually receiving the email. I think because I had used that email before, but I used one of these. So I confirmed it, and then I got the second email, and then the second the text. So there we go. So we got that, and if we go over here on Mailing Boss, let me refresh. You should see it. It is confirmed. So you can see, there we go. It's confirmed. And let's put this back to the original because you guys are from all over the world. So let's go back to this original one. Phone prefix. Let's copy. And let's call it P phone, whatever, it doesn't matter. And let's go back over here and put phone in. Instead of hidden, we want it visible. And then let's remove, well, let's save first. See if it give us any issues. Yeah, it does. So let's remove this. And okay. And then now let's save. Okay, I don't know why it keeps doing that whenever I re-add it and whatnot. So let's try something. Since we need this, so let's just remove this. We're gonna do okay. Let's see what happens when we press save. All right. Now let's do the phone prefix drop down. Everything's good. We want it to be on number 2. And then let's save. And there we go. All right, back to normal. All right, so once you guys get to try it out, well, you guys are going to see the regular one with all the what's it called, country codes. But just wanted to test out and show you guys how you can actually just have one country or two. In this case, I have 2. You can either do the drop down like I showed you. So if you want to just use the drop down, you would then delete this, remember, and do a drop down field right here, drop down field, and you would use USA and whatever the value is, and then your country, and then you will remove this one. But you will use this one as reference to find out what is your country code and what is the value that you want to add and put there. And then you would just have that country as a drop down, only one, or maybe there's 2 countries that you just want to collect the phone numbers from. So you could do it with the drop down, or like you saw, the radio field or the checkbox field. What was the checkbox field? Yeah, or just literally just do the text field and have it just say that the country name and then the country code, and it's a non-editable, like, what's it called, field, right? Just keep it like that. All right, guys, so that is it with that. Let me make sure I edit this and fix it so that when you guys try it out, it is with all the country codes. Since you guys are from all over the world learning this, let's save. All right, here we go. Oh, we forgot to change this to country code. But that's it. I'll fix that, and we're going to call it country code. Country code. All right. That's it, guys. That is it for our SMS training series, right? Now you guys know how to use it, how it works, how you can do tweaks by changing the country code stuff and only selecting one country. You could either do it manually and just remove all the ones that you don't want, or just add it yourself. But just make sure you keep this in reference, and after you have the country that you need, You can then remove this and just have what you want. And also a reminder, remember, you want to go to networkmarketing.builderall.com and you will get this page, maybe depending on when it was updated, or you might get the new page, which will be, where is it? I closed it. Yes, I closed it. All right, but you guys will get the new page. You'll be able to see the most recent videos, but we do have still the link to the e-learning where you will see the replay. All right, guys, remember, go to networkmarketing.builderall.com and also remember to join the Telegram groups so that you can stay up to date and ask your questions in the chat within the Telegram chat. And also don't forget to tag me. All right, guys. So that's it for today. Hope you guys have an awesome day. And once again, don't forget, let's go build it with Builderall. Have a good night, guys. Peace.